Hello everyone, welcome to Khana Shana. I'm your host Suchitra and I'll be showing you how to make Nimki, also known as Namak Pare. So let's get started. So here are the ingredients. 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of wheat flour, 1 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cups of clarified butter or ghee, 1 teaspoon of Ajwain or Carom seeds, half teaspoon of Kalonji or onion seeds. I may need 1 cup of water, approximately 1 cup. So let's mix them. Add wheat flour, all-purpose flour, and I'll add them one by one. So let's mix them. Now we are adding clarified butter. We have to incorporate the butter nicely into the flour, so it may need some time to mix it well. So now it's been mixed well. I'll add salt and carom seeds and onion seeds. Mix it. Now I'll start adding water and keep kneading it. Now it is almost done. So it's almost done. I'll cover this dough and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes and then we'll start working on it. I have this much water left, so it's a little less than 1 cup of water. So I have covered it and we'll keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Now the dough has been rested for almost 15 to 20 minutes. We'll knead it some more. Now we'll divide it into 5 parts. We'll use the one and rest 4 we will keep aside and keep it covered. Now we need to roll it. Roll it thin enough but not very thick too, and then need to cut it in the desired shape. We don't need any dry flour to roll this roti as it doesn't stick to the surface. So now it's good enough. We can cut it into desired shape. I'll be using the pizza cutter to cut it. I'll be cutting it a rectangular shape. So here is, we have done the first one. We'll take it out in a plate. Look, it doesn't stick, so need not to bother about anything. And similarly we'll do the rest of the 4 doughs too. Now I have put the oil in the pan and waiting for it to heat up so that we can fry our nimkis. So now it looks like it's heated up enough. If you put a nimki, you see it's like bubbling a little bit. So now I can put few of my, not all of them at once, So we can make 2 or 3 batches. Stir them so that they'll be like separated, do not stick to each other. Now we'll wait till it turns golden brown. Keep stirring in between. और वो कढ़ाई अच्छी थी, कढ़ाई अच्छी नहीं है.
I'm keeping that in the video.
हाँ?
I'm keeping that in the video.
So now it has turned golden brown. So we will take them out. It sounds so crispy. It turned out so crispy. You can hear it. And it's so yum. As you can see, the Nimki is now done. And you can hear just how crisp they are. Now, to see how good they are, I'm going to let my son test them to see what he thinks about them. Sam, come here.
Yeah.
Can you taste this?
Yeah.
And tell me how is it?
Okay. They're so crunchy. That's really good.
You liked it?
It's really good, yeah.
Oh,
It's like super
Great.
crunchy.
great. So today we learned how to make Nimkis. You can store them in an airtight container and then will be good for 3 to 4 weeks. If you guys liked the video, make sure to click the like button and share it with your friends. If you tried to make Nimkis at home, let me know how it went in the comment section. If you want to see future videos, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.